Hey guys, and today we're fixing Clash Royale not sending verification code. So for example, if you're going and opening up your game, you want to get a verification code, but it doesn't arrive into your inbox, there are actually some ways that we can use to fix that. So guys, in general, do not try and spam the send the notification button too much, because this actually can make things worse. So instead, let me just skip this. Instead, you just need to open up your mail. Let me open it up. Okay, and as you can see, this is my mail. And guys, sometimes this actually happens to quite a bit of other services as well. So when you're sent a certain verification email or just letter in general, it sometimes lands in the trash or a spam folder. So instead of just looking for it in the primary tab of your mail app, right? I'm using Gmail. You just go to the spam or trash and look for an email by Supercell. All right, Supercell is the devs of the game. So just type in the search Supercell and you should be able to find it. If that doesn't work, if you did not find email, just navigate to your phone's settings, just swipe from up to down, and just try switching internet connection. So either choose a different Wi-Fi or try using your mobile data, and then try sending yourself another verification message. If that did not help, guys, the last resort, uninstall the game, then go to the search, then search for Clash Royale. It's actually here. Alright, go to Clash Royale and just install it again. And also, if you don't want to do that, you can just go ahead and clear the cache for your app. So you just go to your list of apps. For example, I will use this one. You go to App Info, and in here you will have a button, Clear Cache. I'm using the emulator, so it's not here, but you will find it here. Just clear the cache, as you can see, storage, and after that, try launching it again. If not, just reinstall. Guys, enjoy. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.